Back, Hot Wheel collectors and diecast enthusiasts. Video 2, we are going to talk about junk, thrash cars, garbage. We're going to talk about replacement parts, refurbishes, and customs. So let me put some music on and we'll get her started. Right, here's a Corvette, black wall. We smashed up. Looks like a kid lowered the window, but a nice grab dad's hammer out of the garage and smash. Don't know why we did that as a kid. There we go. I think this is a blown Camaro. Yeah. Same thing. The old smash on the roof. I guess, I don't know. Lower roofs were good back then, something, I don't know. There's a nice little vet. Really not too bad on that side, but Junior thought a white paint job would look good on it, and threw white walls on that side. This guy here thought the Boss Hoss would have look nice in this kind of a wordish red paint job. He must have either been a Duke of Hazzard fan or possibly from the South. That was a little rebel flag there. I like these kids' customs is what I call them. There's other people out there that collect them. I wouldn't pay too much for them. I just think they're kind of neat. See what's in a kid's mind at 10, 11 years old back in the 70s. This one here really hurts. This is a custom Volkswagen Beetle from 1968. You can barely see the red line. He painted the mirrors gray, or the windows gray, so they look like a mirror. Put a white stripe on there. You know, it's really too bad because this car, other than the paint all over it, is probably, probably a $70 car. I probably wouldn't even, I'd probably just leave it as it is. I don't think it'd be worth refurbishing. I don't know. Think about that. Alright, the last of our junkers is this Winnipeg here. These cars are known for their little bonnets to be broken off. There's a little clip. That's what holds it on, and it's like kind of a door hinge. It just flips up like that. And this little guy will go into the junkyard section of my collection. Okay, here's the same car with the bonnet on it. There, lifts up. And this one's missing the wing. Not to worry, because Bright Vision is an online company that sells replacement parts, plastic parts, and they happen to carry the spoilers, the plastic spoilers. So we'll just slap that guy right on there. Now bam, this $5 car, $2 or $3 or $4 or $5 car, now looks like it could probably be worth 20, 30 bucks. Some collectors cringe on the refurbished parts. They're all if it's not the original, I don't want anything to do with it. But to me, we collect the die cast, and the plastic parts are just added features, and so I don't mind putting new ones on my collection. If I was to sell this, I would definitely let the buyer know that it was not the original wing there. So, alright, the next one. This is same die cast. They call this the Chaparral. This is that Spectre Flame color that Hot Wheels is so known for. And this one needs a wing too, so Bright Vision again has the white one. We'll stick that on there. Then all of a sudden this car, from a, maybe I don't know what I paid for that, $10, $15, it's like a $30, $40 car. So there you go. I'm just saying, you know, add the plastic on there. It's not much effort to do. Makes the car look 100 times better. Plus, it looks better up in your display case or however you display in your cars. Here's the Porsche 917. These, I don't know how it happens, but these always miss this black windshield thing here. I don't know if kids pop them out or whatever. But anyhow, another company by the name of Redline Shop, redlineshop.com, www.redlineshop.com, does carry also replacement parts. So here's another Porsche, and that's what the window looks like. It's got kind of a bluish tint to it. They were out of the blue windshields, so waiting to get that. This blue one here, same thing, Porsche 917 with the Spectre frame color. Another red taillights there. It was also missing the black windshield, but they had it in clear, so I put that on there, and it looks 100 times better, and now this car has definitely gained value and looks amazing. So that's redlineshop.com is where I got that windshield. Okay, on to the Grasshopper. The Grasshopper, this one's missing a windshield. Usually has a plastic roof right there. So that's the double engine. So you need to get the roof for that. I had two other ones that were missing the roofs. This nice pink one here. Get that in the picture. So I got this plastic roof. Redlineshop.com. Snapped it right on there. Looks 100 times better. And now this car is definitely gone up in value. Another version I got was this magenta. I don't know what kids do with these plastic roof things. I don't know. They take them off and who knows what they do with them. So this one's missing the windshield, but I got the roof anyway. Looks much better. And again, that was at redlineshop.com that I got the roofs for. So those are those. Here we go. Seasider. Looks like a El Camino, sort of. I don't know what kind of car it's taken off of, but there's usually a boat that goes in the back, and I was able to find those also at Redline. And that just slides right on there. Bam. And now you have a full-on Seasider with the boat. Take it down to the lake. Go skiing. Well, just put that back on there. It stamps in there somehow. Alright. And last but the best was the Flying Wing. Gorgeous car. Spectre green. And they always are missing these wings here. And Redline Shop had those. So I was able to get that. And car just looks 100 times better. So just slap that right on there. Looks bitchin'. I think anyway. Alright, on to the Diora. These Dioras. Always missing the surfboards. This one's not in the best condition. I don't know if you'd want to get surfboards for it. I did because I like to keep well, I'm a surfer, so I like surfboards. So we put those guys on there. Now we got a Diora with surfboards. Yeah, even though the paint's kind of not so great, it still looks cool. Sitting up there with the rest of my Dioras with the surfboards. So that's that. These surfboards I got at Bright Vision. And then we have this guy here, which I can't read. T for 2. Here, I was missing these black plastic roof, and I was able to get that at Redline Shop as well, and that just snaps right on there, and now bam, this car went from $10, $15 to a $45 car. Alright, got this Ferrari here. This had a wheel missing on it in Bright Vision. Also has the wheel straightener, but they also were known for their replacement red lines. So this capped one right here, I just stuck it right back on there, snap, and it's alright. I mean, I can replace the front ones as well. Paint's pretty shot on this one. So why am I showing you that? Because I had one that was even worse shaped, didn't have no wheels, and the paint was even worse, and I refurbished it. I got the wheels from Bright Vision, slapped those on, got some rattle can paint, and threw the seafoam paint job on there, and there you go. Now it's not a bad little car, a little easy refurbish. Alright, so we're gonna go to customs now. Not a whole lot, I'm almost finished here. Just wanted to show you real quick. If you're not familiar with customs, this here is a stock combi cool. Rad van as is, surfboards in the back. You know, pretty bitchin' little tampos on it. I have a friend of mine. He goes by Project HW on Instagram, and he made this little guy. And put a little surfboard on there, put the patina paint job on there, put the took out the wheels, put some rubber Real Riders is what they call those. Put this little kind of pallet looking rack on the top, and let me flip it around. This nice little Volkswagen logo with a chain coming up off of it, and you can see the little Igloo ice chest you put on there, and pretty nifty little custom. So it's just something that you could do with your Hot Wheels. And that is it for video number 2. Thank you. If you like, please thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Happy hunting.